In this class we will know the Freeform feature, which allows you to develop simple 3D shapes and edit them to create more complex objects. We start creating a new part file in them. In the A3D modal bar we have the Create Freeform panel, with the A-box option highlighted. Clicking on the arrow, we have the options a plania, a cylinder, a sphere, a torus and a quad bella. Let's look at how to use the A-box option by clicking on it. Note that we must choose in which plane we will create the geometric shape and configure the settings. We choose the Z plane and click to define the center of the geometry. Note that the shape is created and we can change its length, width, height, number of faces in each direction, symmetry, and direction of creation. It is also possible to set the size of the shape through the arrows shown around the object. Note: we have confirmed by clicking OK and see what other options have become available, including a Edit Forma, a Toggle Smooth and a Finish Freeform. We click on a Toggle Smooth and see that the box changes, leaving bright corners. However, this difference will not be applied in the form after build, only in the visualization. Proceeding, we will create a torus by clicking on this option. Again we must choose the desired plane and click to position the center of the shape. We define the radius as 20, the thickness of the shape, or a ring, as 5, the faces for the radius as 10, and for the A-ring as 5. We confirm the box and click on Edit Forma. We have a new box open, with several options. Note, for example, that we can filter our selections by choosing to select only points, edges, faces, body or all elements of the geometric shape. We can choose the transformation mode, choosing between translation, rotation, scale or all. You can choose the base space of movement, whether in relation to the world, site or location. With the edge selection filter, we can also create a loop. See how it works. In general, by clicking on the template we can modify it easily, through the options shown for the selected element. With the ALA transformation mode, see that when we click we have a set of items shown. The arrows indicate the translation and observe how deformation occurs on the object. The point above each arrow allows you to modify the rotation. The cylinders allow you to modify the scale in one direction, while the center point allows you to modify the scale in all directions. With the triangles between the arrows we can change the scale in the plane. And with the squares we change the position in the plane. You can enter values in the boxes shown for the modification items, and undo or redo any modification by clicking the arrows shown below. When creating a very exaggerated deformation, an exclamation mark is displayed. By clicking on it we have descriptions of the errors that have occurred and we must adjust the model until the exclamation point is no longer displayed. An easy way to do this is to undo the last change. In this lesson we learn how to use the Freeform feature to create 3D objects in a quick and practical way.